welcome to another video. And I'm in Thalassa right now in Morjim, so I'm just going to show you what's happening in Morjim today. And it's a beautiful day today, guys. And this is Thalassa Beach Boutique Resort. As you can see, they're getting prepped, but it's such a beautiful place, guys. All coconut trees and around, and this looks amazing. So I'm heading to the beach, and this is Morjim Beach, guys. So I'll show you what's happening at Morjim Beach today. They are getting ready for the sundowner, and it's amazing. If you see, everyone's actually enjoying. Just a few people, of course. And this is Morjim Beach. So guys, again, do like and subscribe to my channel. It's so peaceful right now, and I'll just head down this way. So they're getting all prepped for the evening. It's a nice sunny day actually, guys. And this is how the sea looks, so calm, so beautiful at this side. That side is actually Ashram. I'm in Morjim right now, so I'll go to Ashram and show you all Ashram as well. But this is all part of Morjim, which is just calm. If you like something peaceful, this is the best place that you can actually come here, guys. Again, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, if you're watching my videos, please do like and subscribe, guys. Thanks a lot for all your support. Look at how beautiful Goa is. Yeah. Blue skies, lovely breeze. It's just amazing. And people are enjoying. Of course, there's limited crowd, and that's what I like. But it's just amazing. Of course, things are coming up. It was raining a few months ago, right? I mean, it also rained 2-3 weeks ago as well. So I'm glad it's nice and bright. But if you see, the shacks coming up all over. Of course, I don't know whether you can see people are actually having some fun skinny dipping. It's pretty cool. And if you can see, people are just having a good time. It's peaceful today, so it's just nice. There are a few shacks here around the corner. This is right on the beach. And as you can see, everyone's just having a good time. See people chilling out. Yeah, it's all peaceful. And there's some good crowd as well. I'll put a name of a few shacks and few restaurants that I know which are really cool in this area in Morjim, so you all can come and have a good time. So you can see people are just chilling, and there are a lot more shacks further on. It's so nice and peaceful down here, yeah. Just feel like having a good time. And these places are still coming up. Hopefully it should be up by Christmas and New Year, and then of course the following years as well. But you see that the whole beaches to yourself is just amazing. Feels so nice. So guys, I was right there. That's Thalassa, where I actually just got down from, and I walked that side towards La Plague and the other restaurants. And I'm in this part, which is also part of Morjim as well. And as you can see, there are just a few shacks here, but again, a lot of people are sitting and enjoying themselves. So I'm just going to show you around this part of the beach. There's a shack here that you can chill. There are a couple of other shacks there as well. I'll put all the shack names in the description below, guys. And as you can see, people are also building sand castles just to have fun. That's nice, pretty peaceful. It's around 5 in the evening and the weather is just beautiful, guys. Calm waters, so you actually can go skinny dipping or with your bikinis and shorts. But you can just have some good fun, man. I mean, I can see a lot of people actually in. And I'll go right till the end of that corner. That's basically Morjim. And if you again do like and subscribe, guys, if you do like my videos, I'm gonna post Goa videos every week. So guys, again, I'm right at the end here, and this is actually where Morjim starts from, and Thalassa is right. It's a long walk, guys. Again, just for the walk, do like and subscribe. But I'm just going to show you what's at this side. Now if you go, that's all Morjim, and I don't know whether you can see it, but I can see it. That's right at the end there is a rumble. So yeah, I'm heading back, and of course I'll show you all a rumble in my upcoming videos. Probably next time I'll go to Morjim and Ashram. But guys, this is what it looks like at the moment. People are all chilling and resting. So this is a nice shack that you can come, because this beach is very peaceful, very secluded. So this is where you can come and actually chill, lie down in a beach bed and have a nice beer. Again, the most happening side is towards Thalassa and all. If you want a more peaceful side of Morjim, then I think this stretch is good. And again, I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but this is the view right now. It's just amazing, guys. So if you are not in Goa, please come down soon and celebrate your Christmas and New Year here, because it's gonna get jam-packed. So this is a nice peaceful shack, another one. And I'm again going to put all the links of these shacks in the description. So that's about it, guys. I think I'm going to sign off from Morjim. Anyway, do like, subscribe if you're watching this video, and see you guys. See you in my next video. Take care.